Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. To all my returning subscribers, thank you all so much. My channel has been monetized. Please don't skip the ads. So today I'll be showing you how I made this simple and delicious French toast. If you are new, please subscribe, like and share this video. So to start, I'll be using French loaves, cinnamon, vanilla extract, eggs, butter, sunflower oil, and some salt, which is optional. To make my batter, I'm going to crack my eggs. I'll be careful not to add any shells. Next, I'm going to add my cinnamon, some drops of the vanilla extract. You can use milk if you want, but I'm not using milk. Next, I'm going to combine thoroughly to make sure the cinnamon is mixed properly in the batter. So now the cinnamon is well mixed. I'm going to add some oil to my pan. So I'm adding oil to stop the butter from burning. Now I'm going to add some butter. And I'm going to dip my bread in the butter, and I'm not going to soak for too long because I don't want my bread to be too soggy. However, you can leave your own bread for longer. So I'm going to add it to the pan. You can see it's cooking, so I'm going to flip to the other side to ensure the other side is cooked as well. So ignore the color of my French toast. I love my French toast properly cooked. I can't stand the taste of raw eggs. So I'm going to repeat this same process until I'm done cooking all the French toast for everyone's breakfast. So with this, you're having a simple breakfast which you can have with your cup of homemade orange juice.